The College of New Jersey offers faculty, staff, students, and alumni a TCNJ Google account as members of the campus community. There are instances where there is a need to transfer data from your TCNJ account to another Google account, or download all of your TCNJ Google account data. Google offers a tool called Takeout, which allows you to download and archive your data or transfer the data to another Google account. To transfer your data to another Google account, you'll start by going to the TCNJ Today page and click on the Google Apps icon, after which you'll log in with your TCNJ credentials. Once logged in, you'll select the College of New Jersey icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen and select Manage Your Google Account. On the left menu, click on Data and Privacy and then select Transfer Data under the Transfer Your Data Content section. From here, you will be prompted to enter a Google account to transfer the data to. After entering this email address, select Send Code. In a new tab, log into the Google account you want to have the data transferred to, and there should be an email awaiting with a confirmation code. Click on the link in the email and copy the code that is generated. Head back to the Transfer Your Content page in your TCNJ Google account. Enter the code and click Verify. You will be prompted to indicate what data to transfer, after which you can select Start Transfer. Another option to get your data is to download it locally to your computer, to another device, or to another cloud storage provider. While logged into your TCNJ Google account, you'll navigate to takeout.google.com. This will bring you to the Google Takeout page and offer you the option to select or deselect data you want to transfer. Once you have selected the data you want to transfer, click Next Step. You will then be prompted to choose the destination. The options include an email, Add to Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Box. Next, you will select the file type and file size of your data. Keep in mind, exports larger than this file size will be split into multiple files. Once you have made these selections, click Create Export, and that's it. Should you have any questions about using Google Takeout, please don't hesitate to contact the help desk for more assistance.